Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Worth LED headlamp light. Something so simple, but there are a ton of uses and I've definitely been needing this one. So the headlamp, something so simple, but yet nice. It has a rechargeable battery, so I don't have to worry about always having batteries on hand, just charge it overnight, right? Of course, just goes on the head. You could just have it on all the time if you need it. And there's also different brightnesses. Here's super bright and off. Or what's even cooler is there's a motion sensor. So if you're working and you need to turn it on, boom, boom. So nice. Because that's a lot easier than trying to feel around for the buttons. I love it. This is the item I had been waiting for and have been needing. Let me show you what I need it for. So I actually like to craft, fix, and tinker. I take after my grandfather. But I know this is where I've been excited to use the headlamp is. I'm always working on small things like this piccolo here. And there's a lot of times, however much light I have is not enough. So now I can just turn on my lamp with just the motion. It's perfect. And now I can really see into the crooks and crannies and all these little spaces. So I can now see more of what I am doing. So this is before the light. Switch the light on. You see that? Light off, light on. Light off, light on. So much brighter. I love it. And I'm still hands-free. And it's super lightweight. I could easily forget I'm even wearing it. This is fabulous. Worth Tool, that's where it's at. Go get yours. You're gonna want one.